What's the deal, YouTube? It's your boy Vlogs TV, back at it again with another video. So, don't have much light here, but I'm gonna try to hurry and do this. So, level 3's finally came in, bro. Finally, after a month or two waiting on. So, I went with the Mondeo ones, not the regular. That's why they took so long. And the Mondeos come with fog lights in the rear, even though I won't be using these, but this was a cheaper route. I'm gonna tell you guys later on and after I finish the install why this was a cheaper route and how it was a cheaper route. But anyway, we got the level 3s. I bought some LED reverse lights also. And we have our wiring harness, which is gonna replace the factory wiring harness here. There's another video on this. I'm actually about to watch that video too, so I'm gonna be in and off of here. So I'll let you guys, well, the first, I'm gonna just link the video in the bottom because I just want to get this done with because I got a lot of stuff to take care of. So I'm just letting you guys know. Just pop in, checking on you guys periodically. So see you guys in a minute. All right, y'all, we're back. I just want to give you guys a quick check-in. So this is the left light. This is the right light. So we have wired it from, it's kind of dark in here, but we have wired it from here. And this is the my blind spot monitoring system right there. But this is the this is where you start from right here. You want to unplug the top one, and then every time you undo something, you want to plug it up. You want to pop a pin, you plug a pin in, and do it the whole way. You got to run it from here. It's dark up here, but here goes here, and then it runs along here. Then it goes up. I'm not finished yet. I just did one side just to make sure everything works. So we're on this side right now. And just wanted to show you guys before and after before I finish completely. Yes, and I did had to take the bar off, the strip off. But here goes the before and after, guys. So the one with the plastic on it is the new one, and the one without is the old one. Here goes. See you. Now we're gonna have a full LED strip that connects both sides now. Over here, look at this, just the booty factory stuff. Ford, why? Greatness. Why, Ford? Why? But I'm so happy I've been waiting on this mod, to do this mod for a long time, you guys. It just looks so good together. All right, you guys, just want to check in with you guys. I'm gonna let you guys know when we're finished. So, coming soon. All right, you guys. Install is all finished. Now it's time to go back and check everything. After. Make sure everything works. Boom, boom. There you go. All the lines are correct. Got the gaps. This trunk works again still. You guys will need, I believe this is a 11mm socket for the bolt holders themselves. But be careful not to torque these too much because they are plastic. And you do not want to crack these at all. So 11, and then a tab puller, Christmas tree puller. I got a plastic one, but I think it's actually in here. Bruh, it's right here. I got this from when I installed my mirrors, sequential mirrors. But anyway, guys, that's what you will need. And you will need the harness, and you will need the new headlight, tail lights. I did get the LED, some LED upgrades, so they're stupid bright. Okay, and the reason why I got the Mondeos because these were 96 a piece, which is amazing. And the harness was 60, I believe. The harness was 60, and then the lights were 96. That's why I went this route, even though you had to wait a little longer because, shipping sucks right now from China, but it's worth it. Show you guys one more time. It's so freaking worth it, guys. Sorry the car is dirty, but like I said, been super busy. But it's worth it. The wait was worth it. But if you were to go with the USD, whatever, with the R spec, they would be, I think, and they're like 150 a piece. So that's why I went this route, and it's all 10 times cheaper. And let me know if you guys want me to link this in the description. I will, because I didn't really do a thorough install video. But the guy that I watched, I'm going to link his video in the description below because he did an awesome job. And this is like one of the easiest installs I've ever done, bro. It took me like, I think an hour, but I've been stopping and going. But anyway, I took like an hour and I was done. And also, you have to take this chrome strip off also because the new one goes in here also. So you got to take this off. And if you guys plan on wrapping this would be the perfect opportunity too, because you can take it off right now. And be careful with these tabs in here. You don't want to break this because you can snap this whole thing off and you have to replace the whole thing. You do not want to have to do that. So, anyway, guys, that's pretty much it. Wrapping up this video. Let me know if you guys have any questions. I'm going to do some pictures and stuff. We're getting pretty good weather right now. It's sunny out. It's warm out. So, the wheels video should be next after this. And can't tell you guys what's next. But anyway, guys, appreciate you guys for watching the video. And stay tuned, rock with your boy. And I told y'all we got content. These are the old ones. No light up. Forward. Why would you do this to us? And a halogen reverse light. Why would you do this to us, Ford? But they do have a cutoff, though. Nice little cutoff bracket. Just like the Mondeos. Oh, you can't see it now because the strip is in the way, the chrome strip. But also, you guys may notice these are covered up. These two holes right here, the Mondeos have taillight fogs, which you had to get a whole new BCM for the body control module and reprogram it and all that stuff. So I'm just not going to use that whole thing. And these are the actual fog lights. So these will light up if I had the BCM and everything. But I got what I needed for it. So, don't really mind it. Oh, they kind of light up in there. But not for real. But so freaking sick, you guys. So sick. Heat. Looks 10 times better. But if you guys watched thus far, it's happening. It's happening. Just wait on it. Video coming soon. So just wait on you guys. That's next. So I had a full LED John. Just wait on it. This is gonna be so sick. But alright, you guys. I don't want to drag on the video. But see you guys in the next video, which will be coming soon. So peace. And wait. Don't ever forget, trust God. Never lose faith, because He'll never lose faith in trusting you. Peace. And let me know in the comment section below if you guys have any questions about the install or whatever. Like I said, I'm linked to do install video right below. So, and also, I got the lights with these lights from eBay. And I got the harness from Tusker Parts. If you guys want to get the OEM ones, you can get it from Tusker Parts also. But they will be a little bit more expensive. Just warn you guys now. This is the OEM harness with the halogen bulbs. And also, I got the LED bulbs from Last Fit, I think. They're super bright. Love them so far. So, yeah, you guys. See you in the next one. So much better, you guys. So much better. Also, you guys wonder about fitment. Perfect lines, just like OEM. Just like OEM. Perfect fitment.